I feel like I'm that girl. I know I will be getting rich auntie allegations with this. Hermes Paris, made in France. You see the flap is coming all the way over. The white stitching looks amazing. Everything just looks really good, super crisp, and very chic. I love her down. All right, let's talk about my Hermes. Yeah, because she that girl. Okay, so here's how the packaging is. It's a pretty big box here. Now keep in mind that these are replicas, but baby, in my eyes, it's the real deal. Given very much authentic. So starting off, we have this Hermes Paris card. It's like a really hard plastic. And then we have some of the paperwork, just like a little tax invoice. I love the small details, so I appreciate all of this. I have this Hermes gift wrapping paper. Okay, and I also have this Hermes printed ribbon. I'm assuming this went around the box. If it was more for a gift, you can tie it around the box. And baby, you know I am the queen of DIY. I will find something to do with this. And then last, here is my purse. I love the way they took extra care. It has this extra cardboard to keep the shape of the bag. I'm getting nervous. I don't know why opening luxury bags get me so nervous. You can have it in this dust bag. It's protected. It won't get any lint, dust, water damage, or anything like that. And it's a pretty large size. Okay, let's see here. And drum roll, please. Oh my God. I know I will be getting rich auntie allegations with this. Wow. She's a beauty. The stitching is superb. The side, it's perfect. Let's take all of this plastic and wrap her off. You gotta open this up just to get this plastic off. So you needed some scissors because it's on really well. So now there's a piece of fabric right here. Let's take that off. Wow, the protection. Okay, now let's put it back together. Oh wait, I have a few pieces of plastic here. Okay, I even have plastic here on the belt buckle. Okay, let's take this little rubber piece off. Oh, this is how you open and close it? Wow. Wait, that's kind of a lot. Okay, low key, I'm gonna be honest with you. This is a lot just to get inside your bag. Okay, so here's the purse. And this is with it closed and locked up. I love it. I love the color. The white stitching looks amazing as well. It's really neat. You see the flap is coming all the way over, so I can't open it unless I unfasten this buckle. But everything just looks really good, super crisp, and very chic. So I can wear it out like this. I'll do this if like I'm going out to eat on a date and I know I won't be going in my purse to pay for anything. That's great for long distance travel or whenever you know you won't be going into your bag. Other than that, to open it up, you do have to remove these straps and pull these flaps over, and there it's open. Okay, now let's see what's inside of the bag. So some more packaging, you know, some of these little things to keep it fresh. Okay, and then I have this small little Hermes dust bag. So I have one of these that I can attach onto the purse. And I'm assuming that this is a locket inside of this box. Oh, I love a key and a locket. Oh my God, stop it. Look at how adorable these keys and locket is. Now to take a deeper dive into the purse, you have this pocket over here that just has like an open flap. And then over on this side, you have a pocket with a zipper. So we can unzip this. And we have a pocket here that opens and closes by a zipper. And then there's so much space, like lots and lots of space. Inside you have this really hard bottom. That's great. And then looking at the purse, see here at the top, you have Hermes Paris, made in France. Pieces off. Okay. So 1 second, let me set this up with the key and lock it. I went ahead and added my locket here. So I will have to take my key and unlock it. I put the key in here. But let me show you if I want to open it. No problem. And there she's open. Grabs my phone. Time to go. You know, with the locket being here, it just gives rich auntie. You want to give off rich auntie vibes? Baby, you need a bag like this in your collection. I feel so expensive. I feel like I'm that girl. It's just so gorgeous. And then it's this gorgeous cognac color paired with this navy blue. It's just giving luxury. Look at this. It's so gorgeous. I love her down. Yeah, so you guys make sure you click the link down below. Go get yours. She's perfect. And I'm in love. And if you want the details to my hair, I'll leave the link down to my braids as well. But first and foremost, go get this bag. Again, this is a replica, so it's only the smallest percent of the real amount. So do yourself a favor and go get her. I can just eat this bag up. No lie, I can just eat it. Shout out to my first Emerald bag. Get this exact one. You won't be disappointed.